didn't call, he didn't text back. For 3 days, she checked her phone every hour and told herself it didn't matter. But it did, because the last time he went quiet like this, he came back with flowers and no explanation. That was the thing about loving an Aquarius. You never really knew where you stood. His name was Daniel. To everyone else, he seemed easygoing, independent, a little unreadable. But Mia knew a different version of him, the one who once stayed up until 4 a.m., just talking about the universe with her. The one who remembered a random comment she made 3 months ago and brought it up like it mattered. So why did he suddenly feel so far away? According to astrology, Aquarius is an air sign ruled by Uranus, the planet of independence, individuality, and sudden change. Many astrologers believe this is why Aquarius often values freedom above almost everything else, even in love. It's not that they don't feel deeply. Astrology suggests the opposite. Aquarius often feels too deeply, and that intensity can scare them, so they retreat. Not because the feelings are small, but because the feelings are big enough to threaten the independence they've spent their whole life protecting. Mia didn't know any of this yet. All she knew was the silence. She sat by her window, phone face down on the table, replaying their last conversation. Had she said something wrong? Was he losing interest? She didn't know that 3 miles away, Daniel was staring at his own phone too, typing a message, deleting it, typing it again. I miss you. Delete. Can we talk? Delete. He wasn't pulling away because he didn't care. He was pulling away because he cared too much, and that terrified him. Days passed. Mia started convincing herself it was over, that maybe Aquarius men really were as cold as people said. But astrology tells a different story. Many astrologers describe Aquarius as deeply loyal once they let someone in, even if they show it in quiet, unconventional ways. A late-night check-in, remembering the smallest details, showing up when it matters, even if they can't always say why they left in the first place. The problem wasn't that Daniel didn't love her. The problem was that he'd never learned how to say it without feeling like he was losing himself. On the 4th night, he showed up at her door. No explanation, no apology speech, just, I'm bad at this, but I didn't stop thinking about you, not for one day. That's often the Aquarius pattern, astrologers say. Withdrawal isn't rejection, it's self-protection. And when they come back, it's rarely with grand words. It's with presence, with effort, with small, quiet proof. Mia realized something that night. Daniel wasn't avoiding her. He was avoiding the version of himself that needed someone that much. Maybe Aquarius doesn't run from love. Maybe they run from how much it makes them feel. And if they come back, that silence was never coldness, it was fear, standing quietly next to something real. If you've ever loved someone who went quiet instead of walking away, you already understand Aquarius better than most. If this felt familiar, like it was written about your own story, hit subscribe. Because every week, Zodiac Love Files uncovers the emotional truth behind every sign, the things they never say out loud. And if you're dating, loving, or missing an Aquarius right now, comment their name below. I want to hear your story.